Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. To all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always watching my videos. We've gotten to 300 subscribers. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Tamno Tonte Abiye. Today I'm going to give you 5 business ideas that you're going to start with little money and see profits every day. You know, in this current economy, it's not good for someone to sit down idle. So, if you have little money, let's say from like 10,000, you'll be able to start this business. And even if you're a student also, you'll be able to, start this business and get money. So stick around, don't go anywhere. The first on my list is food or drink business. That business is very lucrative. You can start it with a little money. You just, choose the area you want to concentrate on. Start with a little money and you're going to see your profits every day. See, people eat food every day. Is either they make their meals or they buy their meals. You understand? So if you're a student, I'm not saying that you should not read your books. You have to read your books, but let's say on Saturday and maybe Sunday, since you don't have classes those period, you can put out a notification or a flyer that you'll be preparing so and so meal. Then you take a picture of it, post it on your social media handles or your social media platforms, you get. And that way you're going to get customers from your fellow students or from any other person that is interested. When you post it on Friday, you're going to tell them that you're taking in order, and the food will be prepared and delivered to them on Saturday or on Sunday, depending on when they want it. And see, don't underrate food business. If you don't know how to cook, go and learn how to cook, you get. Then start from small. You can cook noodles, take a picture of it, noodles with egg, noodles with sausage, noodles with chicken, anyone, just style it well, take a picture of it and post it on your social media. You're going to see that you're going to get people that are going to admire it, and they'll be like, I need a plate, I need 2 plates, or I'm having a party, do this for me. Then if you don't want to go into food like jollof rice and all those ones, you can go into finger foods like small chops of any kind. You go into finger foods, you package it and you sell it. Then another thing under the food business or drink business is to make parfait or even zobo drink safe. You're going to package it well, that is going to make sense. Prepare your zobo very well, let it be delicious and tasty, and you're going to get people that are going to buy your food or your drink. Don't forget, make good meals, make good drinks, quality drinks, and your pricing. Calculate how much you spent, put your energy, your time, calculate everything into it, and know how to price your meals or your drinks. You understand? Do not underestimate zobo drink. Do not underestimate parfait. When you're doing it, make sure it's quality and sell it to your classmates, or if you're working, you can sell it to just anybody. But don't forget that when you're doing all of this, you also post pictures on social media to boost your business. Then for those of you that don't want to do this delivery kind of stuff, and you want to go into full-time catering, what you're going to do, what I'm going to advise you on is to if you have a relative that is having any occasion of any kind, you can tell the person that you like to prepare the food for the occasion, that you can do it, that the person should patronize it. If the person is like, I don't have much money, or I'm not sure, or whatever, just tell the person to give you a trial. They are going to do the cooking for free. When I'm saying for free, it's not that you use your money and go and buy the food items. No, you tell the person to give you money to buy the food items. Then you go to the market, buy it and prepare it. What I mean by free is that you're not going to charge for the cooking. Then during that process of cooking, ensure that you have somebody, or you even take pictures, but ensure that you have someone that will take you pictures of the various meal that you're preparing. While at it, you take video. Then for the presentation also, you take pictures. When you're done with that, you post it on your social media handle. You'll be like, I'm into catering, these are the type of things I do. If you need my help, contact me on so and so, and you start giving the people bill, you start giving the people price. So don't take this food business as a joke. Sorry about the background noise, it's raining. The second thing on my list is Gele Styling. Don't take it for granted. People go for occasions, people attend occasions, there are weddings on Saturdays, you understand, there are child educations on Sundays. So go look for where to learn how to do gele. Or you can even check my channel, I have videos on it. I'm a gele stylist, as you all know. But if you're new here, just know that I'm a gele stylist and I have videos on my channel, so check them out. When you're done learning, either through YouTube or physical training, ensure that you always practice. And aside that, when you're done practicing, take pictures and post. Now, for you to start getting income, you can even tell your church members that you're a gele stylist. If they have any occasion or if their family member is doing anything, that they should call you, that you can style gele, very nice gele for them. Just start from there and ensure that you know how to keep your pricing. From there, you're going to upgrade. Even if you're a student too, you can go into gele styling, because people have occasions. And also all these your final year week, your traditional attire and all of that. You can tell your customers or anybody around that I'm a gele stylist and I'll do it for you at an affordable price. It shouldn't be too low, but it should be affordable, you get. Then while learning, if you don't have someone to practice on, ensure that you get a mannequin head and start practicing with the gele that you have. Even if you're in Nigeria, you're not in Nigeria, you can watch YouTube videos. And when you're watching YouTube videos, please always appreciate the person that you're learning from. Try to subscribe to the person's channel. See, there are people that pay huge amount to learn how to style gele. So ensure that you like their videos, you subscribe to their channel and continue learning from them. But if you want express as in detailed class, you can attend a physical class, you understand. Don't sleep on gele styling. You're going to make a whole lot of money from it. There are people that style their brides for, I don't know if I'm supposed to say this, but there are people that style their brides for $100 and any price, you understand. So ensure that you don't stay idle. The next on my list is makeup and lash tech. Don't sleep on it. Like I said about the gele, there are always occasions. Sometimes every day, sometimes every weekend. So learn how to do makeup, either here on YouTube or physical classes or even online classes. Learn how to do makeup, learn how to do lashes, and also learn how to do microblading. Man, there's a whole lot of money to make. Very good money, especially the makeup, the lashes, and the microblading. You can pick any of them. But if you have the luxury of time and you're done with schooling, you can venture into the three. At first, it's going to be somehow, you understand, but that shouldn't hold you back. Ensure you put yourself out there. Ensure that you network. Ensure that you tell people what you're into. You get, from there you're going to start getting clients. So do not sleep on it, because everybody wants to look good. It's not everybody that wants to appear ordinary every day, you understand. You need to upgrade, you need to spice things up. So since you know that people are always going to spice things up, learn that particular trade and work and grow in it. The next thing on my list is nail styling. See, if you don't want to do any of the three that I've mentioned, you see nails, if you sleep on this one, are you concerned? If you're in Nigeria or you're outside Nigeria, ensure that you learn and make your own cash. You see, nail stylists, they are making a whole lot. Once you learn from a very good place and you start, before you know, you even become a celebrity nail stylist. You understand? All those people started from somewhere. They didn't just wake up and bloom immediately. No, they started from somewhere. So engage yourself with something meaningful. Nail styling brings a whole lot of money, because you see people wanting to fix their nails for occasions or wanting to fix their nails for engagements and all of that. So don't sleep on nail styling. Get the necessary tools needed and start it. As a student, you tell your hospital mates, you tell your classmates you're into nail styling. You can even decide one day to do free nail styling. But the thing is that the highest person that brings in client or the highest person that brings in people to follow your page, you're going to give the person free nail services. You understand? And when you're at it, take videos and you post on your social media page. When you're at it, you take pictures. After everything, you edit it properly and still post. That way you're selling yourself. So there are different avenues to get clients, to get customers, and from there you fix your price and start making your money. You can even add to the nail styling, manicure and pedicure. You understand? And for home service, although you have to be careful, you're going to know the price that you're going to put, because you're going to put your time away from whatever you were doing. You're going to include your transport in the bill for home service. So just know how you're going to rate your billing for home service, and always know that home service bill is different from when they come and you do their nails for them, or you give them manicure and pedicure. You understand? So ensure that you rate whatever you're doing well and get your money. Girls always want to look nice. Even guys always want to look nice. Men these days do manicure and pedicure. You can even upgrade. Aside the normal nail fixing, you can even do acrylics. You understand? Just ensure that if you're learning on YouTube, which I think at some point might not be too okay, ensure that you get or ensure that you go for a master class and upgrade to the professional level and get your money. And finally, the fifth thing on my list is hairstyling. See, even the people that are in market these days, they are getting money. Ordinary to weave hair, as in normal weaving, cornrow, they take nothing less than 700 or 1,000. It depends on how you even price. You get? So if you're making cornrows for somebody, or either let me say your hostel mates or your course mates, and you're taking 1,000, and you're able to do 2 or 3, do you know how much you've gotten? Or you're able to do like 5, because it depends on how big your client wants the cornrow or how small they want the cornrow. So once you have established yourself that you're a hairstylist and people know you, you're going to get clients coming in. They'll be like, Tonte come, I want to make my hair. Or Nkechi come, I want to do this. I want to do this style. I want to do Ghana braiding. Or I want to thread my hair. Just go and learn how to thread. See, even on YouTube, there are people that teach hairstyling. I think there's a channel I've come across before, Hair by Clippers. You can go and check them out. They do bridal hairstyling and normal hairstyling. They teach you how to do that. So ensure that you learn it and become a professional. If there's money to be made. See, the business of making people look good comes with money. So ensure that you don't sleep and say, hey, okay, because there's no work, you don't have anything to do. If you have somebody that will be able to get you those items for the hair, you tell the person that this is what I want to do, please help me. Once the person gives you that, you set yourself up. And don't forget, always get a social media page where you be posting whatever you do. So please guys, this is not the time to stay idle and be waiting for manna to fall from above. These are the simple and easy to start businesses that I can give you, and they're even very affordable. You understand? When you've grown big, you can get those high-tech instruments or those high-tech tools and use. You get? If not, for the meantime, you can start small. Hairstyling brings money. No matter the type of hair you want to style, even if it's crochet, you can also go into wig making. You all know how much wig is costing now. And guys, do all of it. Sometimes if you watch very well, sometimes it's not as if I'm trying to spoil the women, but sometimes the work of those men, they are very, very super, very, very sweet. So you as a lady, try to, if you don't have those skills, try to learn it. You get? After that, try to put yourself out there and start doing for people. You will not start taking high money at the beginning, but ensure that the money you're charging is okay for you. It's okay to settle 1 or 2. so that you don't drive away your customers. You get, once they see that you're good at it, then you can now, say this is the rate I want to start charging. So don't sleep on it. I'm not going to overemphasize this, because these are the type of businesses that you will do and see your profits coming in every day. I would have mentioned okrika, thrift business, drop shipping and all of that, but like I said, if you want to see money every day, these are the type of businesses that you're going to venture into. I hope I have given you a very important update, like we say. I don't call so for you understand? So get yourself something doing, especially these things that I've mentioned. You're going to get money. See, these days we have celebrity hairstylists, we have celebrity makeup artists, we have celebrity Gele stylists too. I know some of them. Then you come to talk about food, chefs and all of that. Please, my dear brother and sister, do not sleep on any of this. Once you start it, you're going to see money from it, either through your services or through training. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share my videos. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.